My question is, with so many new immigrants moving all around the world, Ahmadi immigrants, there tends to be a divide between Khudam who are born in that country and who move from elsewhere. What can we do to fix this relationship?
You see, we are Ahmadis. We believe in one God. We believe in one holy book, the Holy Quran. We believe in the last prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Right? We believe that Prophet Messiah al-Islam has appeared. We believe that after his demise, the system of Khilafat has continued. See, we believe in all these things, right? So, what is the difference? The only thing is that you were born in the United States and your cousin was born in Africa or Pakistan or India or South America or any other country, or your friend was born somewhere else. So, since your belief is the same, your teaching is the same, so as far as the religion is concerned, there shouldn't be any difference, because there is no any deviation in your teaching. The only thing is the language. Once a person comes to the United States, he migrates from Pakistan or Bangladesh or Middle Eastern country, and he stays there in America for some time, he will understand the language, right? When I speak with you, I prefer to speak in Urdu to make you understand in a better way. But since you don't like it, this is why I'm trying to speak in English, right? So if you have better understanding with me, you should have the same understanding with your fellow brothers, right? ठीक है?
Jazakallah.